Assalamu alaikum. In this Arabic vocabulary practice, the 7-day challenge, you will learn how to build your Arabic sentences. And because your request was not only to learn Arabic vocabulary, but to also practice it, I'm happy to introduce you to the new course, Arabic Vocabulary, the Complete Build-Up course. In this course, you will learn easy and fun lessons. You will learn through context and phrases. And the most important thing, that you will practice and answer questions to test your knowledge. Also, you will be able to join a group chat and start speaking modern standard Arabic. If you are one of the 50 early birds, you will get access to weekly Zoom calls and group chats. In this course, you will learn the most common words in all languages that will speed up your Arabic learning. Plus, you will get this audio course as a bonus, how to speak Arabic correctly and master Arabic pronunciation. You will learn verbs and conjugations in this course. With the best memorization techniques and the practice lessons, inshallah, you will always remember what you learned. If you want to learn more about this course, the link is in the description box below. Now let's get started. This is day number 1 of the 7-day challenge. المفرد المذكر. Today we will learn المفرد المذكر. المفرد singular, المذكر masculine. For example, the word كتاب. كتاب means book. كتاب is singular, one, and it is مذكر, masculine. هذا is also مفرد and مذكر. هذا means this. هذا كتاب. They are both masculine. Masculine follows masculine. And they are both singular. Also, singular follows singular. Remember, singular means مفرد and masculine means مذكر. هذا كتاب. Another word here is اسم. That means name. هذا اسم. هذا دفتر. They're both singular, both masculine. This is a very simple sentence that you can create. هذا and then masculine words like هذا, مفرد and مذكر. هذا دفتر. هذا قلم. هذا مكتب. هذا باب. هذا جدار. Now the question is ما هذا. What is this? ما هذا. So ما هذا. Do you remember? هذا جدار. ما هذا. The answer will be هذا كتاب. ما هذا. هذا باب. ما هذا. هذا قلم. هذا مكتب. هذا اسم. هذا دفتر. Questions and answers. Now join the following. اسم دفتر مكتب. I want you to write these words. Write them down and add vowels to them. اسم دفتر مكتب. Now اسم means name. دفتر notebook. مكتب desk. كتاب قلم باب. Add vowels to these words. كتاب means book. قلم pen. باب door. هذا, which is masculine and singular, مفرد مذكر. Which one we will choose? قلم or قلمان or أقلام? قلم, this is one pen. قلمان, two. أقلام, more than three, or three and more. هذا قلم مفرد and مذكر. By the way, if I want to say two, I will say هذان. I will change this. They must follow each other. And here, we will use the plural form. هذا كتابان or كتب or كتاب. هذا كتاب. هذا بابين, two, or أبواب, doors, or باب. هذا باب. Now, I want you to put these words in sentences. Of course, the simple sentence here is هذا. For example, اسم. And I want you to add vowels to these words. Now, I want you to join the $1 week trial of the Arabic vocabulary course. The link is in the description box below. Don't forget, if you are one of the 50 early birds, I will teach you personally until you become fluent in Arabic. So I can't wait to see you. Click on the link on the description box below, and I will see you on the other side. Assalamu alaikum.